In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a Pine script to TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to open the editor, paste or write your Pine code, add it to your chart, and publish it so it's easy to access later. First, head over to TradingView and open the charting interface. Any symbol or time frame will do. The main thing is that you're on a chart where you can see the side panels and the workspace. Next, look to the right side of the screen for the Pine or Pine Editor panel. Click it to open the editor. This is where all your Pine script lives. TradingView's layouts can change slightly from time to time, but the Pine area is typically a dedicated panel on the right where you can view files, examples, and the code editor itself. Now click into the editor where it says to enter the Pine script. This is your coding area. You can paste in a script you already have or start from scratch. A quick tip, make sure your script starts with the correct version line, like version 5, and that the function you're using matches your goal, such as indicator for indicators or strategy if you're backtesting. Keep your code clean and readable, and avoid including any personal or sensitive information in comments or titles. If you're unsure, you can reference built-in examples to double-check syntax and structure. When your code is ready, click Add to Chart. TradingView will compile the script and attach it to your active chart. If it's an indicator, it will either overlay on price or open in its own pane, depending on your code settings. If there's a compile error, you'll see a message in the editor with a line number and a brief explanation. Review the highlighted lines, fix any typos or mismatched parentheses, and try Add to Chart again. Small tweaks like confirming variable names or ensuring plot calls are correctly spelled often resolve issues quickly. Finally, click Publish Script. Publishing saves your work in a way that's easy to reuse and share. You'll provide a clear title and a short description so you can recognize it later. You can choose whether to keep it private or make it publicly discoverable, depending on your needs and TradingView's guidelines. Publishing is especially helpful if you plan to use the script across multiple devices or want to access versioned updates over time. That's it. You've opened TradingView, used the Pine editor, entered your script, added it to the chart, and published it for future use. With this workflow, you can iterate confidently and turn your ideas into working tools on your charts.